Welcome to the Energy Pod. Welcome everybody.
This is our first ever class and you were the first people to experience it, so I'm so glad you're here.
Good day at school. Show me with your emojis. How was your day at school?
So I have called this the Energy Pod because I want us to think about what I mean by energy. So a pod is a safe space for us to rest in, so you're very safe here with me. It's good. It's important to feel safe, isn't it? And energy, let's think about energy. Energy is all around us, but we can't see it, can we? We can't see it. So how do we know that energy is there? I'm hoping that the energy in our pod today is all rainbow coloured and all different colours. The energy of school, when you're in a classroom with lots and lots of different children, can feel really confusing and jumbled up because everyone's bringing their energy. So it's like a big soup. It's like a big mixing pot of soup with everyone's energy. Children who come to see me, when I coach them, they say they feel really calm and safe with me. So I hope that's the energy that you're receiving from me today. That's how I'd like you to feel when you finish the class. Smiley check-in sheet, which we'll do at the end. But today we're going to talk about the energy of disappointment. So just close your eyes and go into your body and try and connect into that feeling that you had. Mums and dads, I'd like you to do this as well, please, because I want you to be in your bodies. Will I tell a teacher or will I not? Good call. I think if someone hurt me, if you've got smiley thought cards, I don't know if you've got them, can you think of a card that might help you if you're feeling disappointed? And in a minute, I'm going to do a little exercise with you to show you how to wash away the disappointment. You can wrap yourselves in a blankie if you want to. Yeah, well done. Okay, so what I want you to do is make yourself comfortable so you can lie down and snuggle, or I'm sitting with my legs. It was brilliant. I'm so glad that you loved it, George. I've loved having you here. Now, our next class is next Monday, so I'm going to be here every Monday at 5. Next Monday we are going to do the energy of excitement. So think about, when you get really wired and you can't calm down, like Christmas Day excitement. And also I think we get like that because it's coming to the end of school, so I thought if we did that one that would help us to stay calm. Yeah, of course. I think if all the children came along and did it, George, they'd want to come as well, but they don't. When people don't know what stuff is and it's new, they get scared. Like when you do something for the first time and they think, oh, just wait for everyone else to go and try it out. But you guys were super brave because you showed up and you did it first. You're leaders. Thank you guys for being here. I've absolutely loved it. What I'm going to do is on an email, I'm going to send you a recording of this video so you've got it to keep forever, and you can actually do the disappointment pool whenever you get disappointed. That's a really, really, really nice thing for you to do. Okay? Take care, everyone. See you soon. Bye. Bye.